The cost factor of high loop installation. Let's talk about the financial aspect of the high loop installation. When it comes to cost, the high loop setup is typically inexpensive and more cost-effective than installing an air gap. The primary expenses are the cost of a hose clamp or zip tie to secure the loop and possibly a longer drain hose if the existing one isn't sufficient. If you're comfortable with DIY tasks, there's no labor cost involved. However, if you hire a professional, the service charge becomes an additional expense. Although costs vary based on location and individual contractors, they are generally manageable. Altogether, the high loop installation is a budget-friendly solution for an essential aspect of your dishwasher's hygiene and longevity. How does a high loop setup cost typically compare to installing an air gap? A. More expensive than air gap. B. Less expensive and more cost-effective. What are the primary expenses involved in high loop installation? A. The cost of a hose clamp or zip tie and possibly a longer drain hose. B. The cost of specialized plumbing tools and equipment.